A patient is complaining of diarrhea and cramping after having dairy products. The diagnosis will be A. Celiac disease, B. Irritable bowel syndrome, C. Lactose intolerance, D. Cystic fibrosis. And the right answer is C. Lactose intolerance. Lactose intolerance is inability to digest lactose sugar of dairy products. It is caused by deficiency of an enzyme called lactase in the body. This enzyme helps to digest lactose, a sugar found in milk and other dairy products. Enzyme lactase is produced by cells of small intestine. Which of the following drugs increases the risk of gastrointestinal bleeding? A. Aspirin, B. Acetaminophen, C. Tranexamic acid, D. Dexamethasone. And the right answer is A. Aspirin. Aspirin is the most common antiplatelet drug. It prevents the platelets from clumping together to form a clot. In this way, it increases the risk of internal bleeding, including gastrointestinal bleeding. Aspirin is also known as acetyl salicylic acid. Straining during defecation may cause A. Polyps, B. Diarrhea, C. Hemorrhoids, D. Constipation. And the right answer is C. Hemorrhoids. Hemorrhoids are swollen and inflamed veins in the rectum and anus that cause discomfort and bleeding. Hemorrhoids are usually caused by straining during bowel movement, obesity, or pregnancy. After the surgical procedure, stockings are mostly used to A. Prevent varicose vein, B. Promote venous return to the heart, C. Prevent muscular atrophy, D. All of the above. And the right answer is B. Promote venous return to the heart. Stockings are by compressing the surface veins, arteries, and muscles of lower limbs, they force to circulate the blood. As the result of stockings compression, the arterial pressure is increased, which causes more blood return to the heart and less blood stasis in the feet. The clinical manifestations that are objective is called A. Sign, B. Symptoms, C. Disease, D. Syndrome. And the right answer is A. Signs. The signs are observable by feeling, hearing, and by seeing. That's why signs are said to be objective evidence of the disease. For example, swelling, fracture, bleeding are the signs. Symptoms are felt by the patient only. It is kind of report which is provided by the patient to the doctor. Symptoms are said to be subjective as they can only be felt by person. For example, shivering, headache, body ache, nausea, muscle fatigue. The clinical manifestations that are subjective is A. Sign, B. Symptom, C. Disease, D. Syndrome. And the right answer is B. Symptom. As it is explained in previous answer, symptoms are felt by the patient only. It is kind of report which is provided by the patient to the doctor. For example, shivering, headache, body ache, nausea, etc.